Hey guys, this wig is from Bobbiboss. It's the fauxlocs curly hand tie and lace, MLF 519 ZALA T1B/bug. Okay, so it is a 4x4 handcrafted lace. It has an elastic band. It has adjustable straps. It also has combs and baby hairs. Okay guys, right here I'm just showing you how it looks before I customize it. I didn't really like it because you can see the wig cap through the lace. And on the package it said the wig is supposed to be ready to go out the box, but it's really not. So I'm going to take my Fit Me powder in the color 55 and I'm going to paint the hair in the parting space. So literally all you do is take the powder and apply it to the lace. This is just a good way to make sure the wig looks natural. You can really just use any powder that matches your skin tone. Okay, so as you can see, you cannot see the hair cap through the lace anymore. And right here, I'm just about to show you how it looks in sections. It looks really good. It's only a 4x4, so it's not that much parting space to begin with. So now I'm just taking my Lotto Body mousse and I'm just going to apply it to the hair to make it more flat and less bulky. So I realized I wanted to cut a few of the braids out because it just did not look natural, the hairline, and I was not feeling it. And I know right now it looks like a struggle, but I promise you by the end of the video it's gonna look good. So all I'm doing is just adding mousse and gel to sleek down the little baby hairs that I created. I am not the best when it comes to baby hair, so I ended up just putting it over the hair so that way it doesn't show any of the lace or anything. And as you can see, it looks 20 times better than it did when I first put it on. And right here, I'm just taking some Let's Shine Gem and I'm just putting it on top of the hair just to make sure it stays down. I am going to cut off the curly ends. I just didn't want that type of look. And I just used a little baby hair brush to smooth it out. And I'm pretty much going to do the same thing to the other side, but off camera. So I applied some mousse and now I'm just going to wrap my hair with a satin scarf. So I let this sit for like 10 minutes before I took it off. And as you can see, the difference is so real. Like the hair is so much more flat and it just lays better with my skin. For the most part, the hair is ear to ear. You can wear the hair up in a bun like how it came, or you can wear it down like this. At the end of the video, I did posted some pictures and videos of me wearing it in two different type of styles. But it is overall okay. Oh, by the way, I did not glue the hair down. This is just how it looks with the elastic band on. And this is the parting space, how it looks after I had customized it all the way. Looks pretty good now. So I'm gonna do 2 twists on the side and then put it in a ponytail and then clip it to the back. I'm showing you right here in the video. Overall, I feel like it was overpriced, but it did what I needed to do because I just wanted locks without actually having to sit down and pay somebody to do it. So would I purchase it again? Hell no. But it's good for like date night or for pictures or just simply special occasions. And I feel like you have to do too much customization just to make it even look wearable. Okay guys, that's the end of my video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment on my channel, and don't forget to turn your post notifications on so every time I post, you guys are notified.